Most people that come to Medellin discover El Poblado through some of its most famous areas like Provenza. However, El Poblado has 22 sub-neighborhoods, and some of the best ones are the quietest ones. Residential, green, quiet, and you're just a few blocks away from some of the best restaurants and cafes. On top of that, the nightlife in Provenza. This is Castropol. I'm inside this beautiful gated community here with a bunch of houses all around me. I'm gonna walk you through one of them that has huge potential. Let's go. This property has something that most properties don't have in Medellin. First of all, it's a house. It has 320 square meters, which is over 3,400 square feet, as you can see. As we walk in through the door to the left-hand side, we've got the living area and the dining area here. But I've got to admit, the first thing that I noticed when I walked through the door was this little patio/garden area. And it really tells you the scale of the 320 square meters. This garden area is private. There's no overlooking neighbors, just open green spaces that belong completely to this house. In El Poblado, finding a private outdoor space at this scale attached to a house is genuinely uncommon. You can have breakfast out here in the morning, host friends in the evening, or just leave the doors open and let the outside become part of your living room. Back inside, the living area earns its space. Beyond it, you've got the dining area, and it's separated by this arc here that gives it an architectural feel. It gives the room rhythm, a sense that the house was designed with intention rather than just built on a floor plan. With the garden doors open, the light that comes through here is exceptional. The inside and the outside become one continuous space, and the whole social area feels bigger than the square meter suggests. This kitchen has personality, and even though it's walled off right now, it has the potential to be open space if you knock down a couple of these walls. Regardless, if you wanted to move in now, it is turnkey, it's got its own charm, and it's all functional. The layout gives you real counter space, a built-in oven, gas cooktop, a window that frames the greenery outside. Even in here, the house keeps you connected to the garden. Every bedroom shares the same characteristic that defines the whole house, and it's pretty awesome. Look up. Exposed wooden beam ceilings, running the full length of each room, warm and handcrafted, the kind of detail that takes decades to feel this right. You can't add this to a new apartment. This second bedroom is comfortable and well lit. Good closet space, natural light, and those beams above doing what they do in every room, making the ceiling the most interesting thing in it. And the master bedroom, the largest of all 4 bedrooms. It has its own bathroom and, of course, the giant high ceilings that make its biggest impression in the whole house. High, warm, full of natural light, this is a room that sets the tone for how the rest of your day begins. This is a claim here that is hard to manufacture and impossible to fake. And this is the 4th guest bedroom, which can double as your studio, your movie room, or maybe even an office. It has its own full bathroom, and it has these sliding glass doors that go into a little patio overlooking the rest of the neighborhood. Castropol is El Poblado, the quiet part. Not the part that you go through when you're going somewhere else, but the part you actually choose to live in. It's close enough to the rest of the city when you need it, but far enough away so that it's absent when you don't. You're probably sitting there wondering what it would cost to remodel something like this. If you want to go low end, it's going to be around $200 to $350 per square meter. Remember, this is 320 square meters, including the garden area and the little deck up top. If you want to go high end, you're talking about $500 to $600 per square meter. That includes all your furniture and decoration. When you're ready to buy a property in Medellin within the next 30 days and you have a budget of over $150,000 and you're ready to use our proven system, our proprietary system called Medellin Living Search, there's a link in the description below. Fill out that form and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. All the details are also in the description. I'll see you in Medellin.